Ayan, Olivia, may harang ka. Ayan, next tayo. Or Loloy, puntahan pa kita. Or Loloy Vlog, may love shout out. Nandyan pa ako sa iyo. Ayan guys, padikit kay Olivia. Guys, dikitan nyo yung mga binababa ni Nightbot, yung mga members at saka super chatters natin. Nagsusukli po mga yan. Maraming salamat. Ayan, Borlolo, may harang ka sa dulo. Ayan, Olivia, may harang ka pa. Ball out. Hi. All out. I am gonna shout out. You have beautiful long hair. Thank you so much. All out. Thank you so much. Give me ads. Hi. I am gonna shout out. I am mega love shout out. Thank you so much, Ball Out, for coming on my live. Thank you so much. Can you let down your hair? Watching host, yes. For Lolay Vlog. May bisita tayo. Oo, makibrang parang yun. Pinapababa niya yung ating buhok. Ay, huwag ha. Kibrang parang yun. Ayan, shout out. Ball out. Toto lang. Loto lang. Ano ba yan? Loto lang. Ayan, Borloloy Vlog. Yes, magluto ka na. Ayan. Pinapanood kita. Kayo ni Olivia. Olivia Adventures. Mega love shout out. May harang ka kanina. Are you born, girl? Yes. No more? Ano ba ito pinagsasabi niya itong please give me ads. Give me ads. I am mega love shout out. Yes. Magsaing ako. Oh my God, yeah.